Are you having problems with your Shopify app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So actually I had a lot of problems myself before with my Shopify app not working, and the way that I fixed it was that I firstly closed my Shopify app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app, basically what I did on this page is that I scrolled down and I clicked where it says general in here. So I clicked on general, I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage in here. And now you're just going to probably have to wait like a couple of seconds for this page to completely load for you. Just so you know, it quite often takes you a couple of seconds depending on how much memory that you currently use on your iPhone right now, just so you know. But it's just going to be done any second now. And now when it's done, we can now click on the blue like search symbol in the top right corner. So click on the blue search symbol, search for Shopify in here and click on the Shopify app. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And then you're just going to wait for your Shopify app to completely update to the latest version. You need to be able to do this because when Shopify releases like a new update and your Shopify app is not working, that can be one of the reasons why, because like a new update will fix all the bugs that was in the previous one. And just get it, try again. Maybe it's going to take you a couple of seconds to be able to actually like update the app. It quite often takes a little while, just so you know. But when it's done, just go back into the app and hopefully now it's working for you.